Siopaw?
Siopaw. Siopaw asado kunwari. Tapos ito lagyan ko ng egg. Diba? Yung asado may egg. So, masyadong madami. Yan. Pagka mga first timer daw gagawa, ganito daw ang wrap. Ganyan. Yan. Tapos, ikit mo lang yan. Yan. Ayan. So cute. Cute, cute. Ira-rest lang natin to ng 10 minutes. After ng see? That's my siopaw. Tapos mamaya isasalang na natin. Eh, tatlo lang pala yung kasya sa steamer ko. Kasi magliit yung steamer natin. Yan, ipa-flatten lang natin ganyan. Tapos, tsaka natin lagyan ng asado filling. Yan! Cute, diba? Gusto ko maraming palaman. Para hindi bitin.
Pero pag commercial, lugi ka.
Siyempre, ipangkain lang naman to. Dali lang pala. Sinukuan ko to before eh. Sabi ko hindi ako marunong. Until I found a video.
Marami ng tutorial ngayon sa
Oo. Meron pa siya tinutwist-twist ng gano'n. Ganyan.
Para mag-lock.
Oo. Tapos, isi-steam lang natin to ng 15 minutes. Look at that! How cute it is! Sana, maging magandang outcome niya. Huwag mo akong papahiya. Ganun lang. Salang na natin. Yan. And the other one.
Hindi kasya 5?
Let's steam it again for 15 minutes on high heat. See you later. Okay. Sakto siya. Ay, 31?
46.
Ooh la la! Look at that! Anyway, sorry for the look. It's my first time. I'll make it good next time. I'll seal it properly next time. Let's have a try! Wow! It should be high fire, high heat. Okay? If you wanted to achieve the maumbok and basta, it was a tip given from somebody.